Okay guys, so you have a YouTube channel, you want to produce content that people are searching for, but you don't want to produce content that everybody else is producing content on, right? Okay, I have a solution. Stick around, I'll tell you about it. Okay, so you're on YouTube, you want to find popular topics, but you don't want to be fighting against all these big YouTubers who are talking about the same thing and are probably going to be having better results at having people watch those actual videos. We have some tips for you. There's some really good tips to help you to find popular search terms on YouTube that other people aren't really producing content for. Now this spurs from a question from David. David asked this question in this group in Automation Nation with Spencer Meekum. He says, you mentioned finding really popular videos and to use this info to prompt our own topics. He says, but if you're jumping into that topic with a small channel, wouldn't I be competing against those who are already super popular? So he's like, hey, I want to find popular video ideas, but how do I do that since I'm such a small channel? There's no way I'm going to be able to get as much clout as these, how do you do that? Okay? So I'm going to touch on that in a second. What I first want to do is mention I'm Ben Arkell with PassiveAutomation.com. A lot of free information on this channel, so please subscribe, hit that notification button. I'll be doing a lot of videos about YouTube, about affiliate marketing, about building your online business, so I would love to have you subscribe. Also, my #1 recommendation to start a business is down below. You can check that out. And I'll also be releasing some free trainings going forward. But wanted to jump in here. So something Spencer Meekum, he talked about this in a YouTube video earlier, was he talked about how to find things people are searching for on YouTube. So one tip he mentioned is if you go into YouTube itself, and I did affiliate marketing. If you do a dash before, then you start typing anything in, right? I typed in A, and we can see that people are searching for Amazon affiliate marketing. If you do F, Flipkart affiliate marketing. C, ClickBank. And as you can see, just to the right, right next to it, it has the number of searches per month. I have a little tool up here, this K, it's keywords everywhere, where it tells you how many searches it has per month. So ClickBank affiliate marketing is searched 1,300 times a month, which is good to know, right? But just based on that, you don't know who else is searching for ClickBank affiliate marketing. You just don't know that. That kind of brings me to, I'm going to jump in here now, actually. This is VidIQ. This is the paid version of VidIQ. You can get a free version. And VidIQ, it'll give you some information, like if I go, like I'm just searching in YouTube and it gives you some information here. I'm not sure what is free and what's with Boost, but I know it does give you related queries. But if I were to go over here and type in ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay, because again, if I go here, where was I before? Let's do ClickBank affiliate marketing. See all the information we can get. Right here, it told us the 1,300 searches, right? And VidIQ Boost tells you the highest viewed video, how many average views a video with that title has. It has a search volume of 51 and a competition score of 17. So let's jump over here into the paid thing, see if we can find the same thing we do. We actually do, which is good. 51 and 17, overall 67. So let's break this down. So what we're saying, and I like to do this when I'm trying to think of a topic, right? So I click in ClickBank affiliate marketing and it gives me related keywords. So anything kind of associated with that, and it tells you how many searches there are. So the search volume for ClickBank affiliate marketing, search volume, if you click on this, it says search volume is the average number of times people search for this exact keyword on YouTube each month, okay? So there are 12,000 searches every month on YouTube for ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, the search score, that basically says how popular this keyword is in YouTube search. So how, it's not a super popular term. So like, as opposed to like affiliate marketing, right? There's 190,000 searches per month. That's a search score of 51. So what I like to look at is this competition score, okay? It says competition score is a measure of how many videos are competing for this keyword in YouTube search results. A lower number is better. So again, back to David's original question is like, I'm a small YouTuber, how am I going to find these videos that are popular, but that there isn't so much content out there already? And this is how you do it with this competition score. So as you're browsing through these, and it says again, a lower number is better. So if you're creating a video and your title is work from home and your tags are work from home and you say work from home a lot in your video, guess what? There's 3 million searches a month, but it's the most highly competitive keyword there is, okay? So as you're scrolling through this, if we found one that has, let's try and find one that has a search. So look, if we go down here, let's go the other way, all right? I want to find a keyword that has a decent amount of searches per month, but also a low competition score. So like, if I were to do ClickBank Facebook ads, I mean, you see that there's 16,000 searches per month. Again, this is the search volume and the competition score. So if I were to do a video about ClickBank Facebook ads, and then the competition score is 6.74, which means that there are only about 6 or 7 videos that are competing for that title, for that search term. So that would probably be a very good one to go after. ClickBank 2019, same thing. There are 5,000 searches per month. There's only 8 videos that are competing for that search term and that tag and that title, right? So this is an invaluable tool. I use this. There are some videos I just want to shoot just because it's a relevant topic and it's on my mind. But for the most part, I come into this back office and I'll type in. I mean, you can type in any. Well, let's do. I were to type in like passive income, right? So I type in passive income. And again, we see there's a lot of search terms. Competition's pretty. I mean, it's middle of the pack right there. But if I come down to do passive income 2019, there's only 5,000 searches, but the competition is only 28, and that's still pretty high. If I were to search, I mean, I like to be in the 10 to 20 range, right? With a good amount of searches. So if I were to do, let's see here, how to make passive income with affiliate marketing, 420 searches, kind of low. Let's go back and search by overall score. Now, overall score, it says a measure of how attractive this keyword is to you as a creator, right? So if it's a really high overall score, it's something you should look into. So under the topic of passive income, I guess Branson Day is a pretty popular search term. And 500,000 searches a month and competition of 11. So I'll have to look in, I don't even know who that is, okay? And again, affiliate marketing, 200,000 searches, 23. Yeah, so again, this tool, again, you can kind of deduce some of this from VidIQ, just the free version, I believe. But as you can tell on the back end, I mean, this, you can go really deep and you can dig down and you can try to really figure out, okay, what, and this doesn't have to just be, I mean, your channel can be about, I mean, you can type in stuff about sewing, right? So let's say you have a topic about sewing and you want to find the best overall score. Well, lifting pins and needles, 1,400 searches a month, competition score of 2, right? So if you did a video about that, couple videos about that, you have a really good chance of making money. Another one that I've searched, so Active Campaign is an autoresponder. So if I am about ready to create content, I want to find the best way to present that in a title and with tags. What I'll do, if you search Active Campaign, there's 4,800 searches, and there's a competition of 3. So active campaign, there's probably a pretty good window of you being able to get in there, because there's only, again, 3.85 videos that are competing for this keyword in YouTube search results. Okay? Active campaign review, which not too many searches, but again, that's a good competition score. So I love VidIQ for this. I'm actually not even sure how much VidIQ costs. It's less than, I think it's 25 bucks a month. You can get a coupon code. I have a link to VidIQ below, but I wanted to point out this really in-depth way of searching and using, you can even use, long tail, active campaign review 2019. You can obviously do long tail searches and get information there, right? Active campaign review 2019, there's no search volume, right? So I wouldn't go for that. Active campaign tutorial, there is. So that's another method that Spencer didn't really talk about. Spencer Meekum shot a video from Builderpreneur talking about all these different methods. The one, again, you can go here and do like a dash and then sewing, right? So I could do like automatic sewing, brother sewing. It gives you these recommendations, okay? And if it's actually something that is popular with that keyword search tool, it'll tell you how many searches per month. The other thing that I love to do, and that has been recommended, and Spencer actually recommended this in his video, and I've done this in the past, and this is something Nathan, so one of the YouTubers that I follow is Nathan Lucas. He's pretty awesome. He talks about just going to their channel. So you go to Nathan Lucas's channel, you click on videos, right? And then you just sort, and you sort by most popular. And you look at the most popular topics. You also look at when the video was. So, if it's his most popular video and it was released 7 years ago, I probably wouldn't worry about that. But within the last year, he had 10 websites to make $100 per day in 2018. And guess what? 10 websites to make $100 per day in 2019. Okay, so guess what Nathan's going to do to start 2020? He's going to make a video that says 10 websites to make $100 per day in 2020. So guess what I could do? I could actually make that video now and release it now. Or wait till December 31st or January 1st, right? So that's another way. Go to someone's channel that you admire, content that's similar to yours, and look at their videos, sort by the most popular, and see which ones that you would consider a good fit for your brand and for your message, and then watch their video. Take some notes, but you don't want to be copying them, right? So I watched Spencer's video. I talked about some of the things that he talked about, but I actually had another angle. I like the VidIQ paid version, and I wanted to show you a little deeper how it can benefit you to have that. You can search a specific term and get a lot of more data to kind of what videos you should be making. So again, Ben Arkell, passiveautomation.com. Click below if you'd like to check out VidIQ. Again, I think it's like 20, I'm not even sure on the pricing. Let's just look that up right now. For those of you who are wondering, pricing, basic, free, pro is $7.50 a month. No, that's not what I have. I think I have the boost. But there are some paid plans, so feel free to check those out below. If you have any questions about YouTube videos, what to search, how to decide, reach out to me. I love YouTube. We do have a silver play button in the family that we worked really hard to earn and to get, so we'd love to help any of you guys try to produce the content that will be best suitable for your audience, and we will talk to you on the next video. Thanks guys, see ya.